Hello friends, thank you for joining me today. What we're going to prepare is chicken fajitas. I am Jessica Kearney, your EFNEP educator here in Franklin County. I am located at the NC Cooperative Extension Office, and I'm so excited that you guys decided to cook with me today. So let me now wash my hands and show you some ingredients that I use to make my chicken fajitas, and I hope you guys find this recipe helpful and yummy. Thanks. Here are all the ingredients that you will need to make chicken fajitas today. You will need a skillet, you will need tortilla wraps, you will need salsa if you would like to top that with yours. You would need oil, garlic powder, paprika or chili powder, cheese if you would like, chopped chicken, 1/2 of a red pepper, green pepper, and 1/2 of an onion as well. We are going to start by cutting our red pepper, and we need 1/2 of this for this recipe. So make sure you get all the guts out the inside, and also wash all of your vegetables before you use them. I'm going to be sure to curl my hands so that I do not cut myself. And I'll begin by cutting these into strips, and then I'm going to cut them again. Set these to the side, and then I am going to use 1/2 of an onion as well. I'm going to give these a little chop. And you can cut these however small you would like them. I kind of like mine a little chunky. So I'm going to set these veggies to the side. So I have bell pepper, green, red, and 1/2 of onion. Any type of onion is fine. And 1/2 tablespoon of oil. As that begins to heat, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of paprika or chili powder. Shortly after your chicken begins to brown, you want to add the vegetables. We're going to add 1/2 of the green pepper. 1/2 of the onion, and 1/2 of the red pepper. And I'm going to use a little less onion, just for preference. And as you can see, this is nice and colorful, nice and healthy, low in fat, and it's going to get you full. I'm going to let that cook for about 3 more minutes, and then we're going to check the temperature of our chicken. To check our chicken, I'm going to use a digital thermometer. You can turn it on, and I'm going to use Fahrenheit for today. And our temperature gauge should read at least 165 for chicken. So we're going to take our thermometer, and we're going to stick it into a piece of chicken and check our temperature. And it's good practice just to use at least 2 pieces of meat, just to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Into our tortilla. Put a little cheese. and we're going to practice folding our tortilla wrap. So we're going to fold it inward, fold again, and there you have a tortilla chicken fajita for lunch. I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with me today. Today was really fun. I can't wait until we get to our next recipe, and I hope you guys remain safe in the kitchen and remain safe during your summer months. Thank you and have a great day.